Tutorial to paint Cony Bunny. In this video I show you step by step how to build a bunny from a structure and proportion to the final painted result. First of all, proportions. All the elements have a relationship between their size and the distance between them. It is important that when you paint, you always keep this in mind. I'm going to use my beloved Filbert number 4 from the Matteo Arfanotti collection by Superstar. With a blue color, in this case petrol blue by Superstar, I create the shadows. While I paint, I want to remind you not to forget to support my work by interacting with the video or following me on my social media. To create a bit more depth, I add just a touch of black where the head connects to the body. With a pink color, in this case Bubblegum by Superstar, I paint the ears. I also take the opportunity to paint the cheeks and the nose. And if you make the little Cony Bunny, don't forget to tag me. I will love to see your version. Now, with the magenta, I define the depth in the ears. We are ready for the outlining. I use the round brush number 3 by Superstar. Look how easy the nose is. It is a simple Y shape. For the eyes, 2 inverted Cs, and then fill half of them with color. To give it that furry feeling, I decide to make small strokes instead of a conventional line work. You can choose whatever you want. For the lines on the ears, I switch to a dark magenta color to soften the line a bit more. Now, small lines to simulate the whiskers. We add highlight and finally outline everything with white to make the design stand out more. We add the final details and Cony Bunny is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like, follow me and share. If you use this design, please tag me so I can see your version. And if you want information about my classes, send me the word info and I will gladly send you all the details. I can teach in English, Deutsch y Español. Bye bye!